Hi guys! Once again, welcome to Lanz vlog. For today's episode of my vlog guys, I will be showing you on how to cook a kinunot na tanigue. So this recipe guys, I just copied from my mother, which is usually she's cooking whenever I'm home. So I hope you will like the video and please tune in guys. So to start with guys, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. So those are the ingredients that I'm gonna need guys. I have here 4 cloves of garlic, 1 piece tomato, 1 spoon black pepper grind, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 thumb of ginger, 1 whole onion, 1/4 of the tanigue or the kingfish. I have here 2 hot chili pepper and 1 sachet of magic sarap and 2 cups of malunggay leaves. So those are the ingredients that I'm gonna need guys. Please stay tuned while I'm cooking in order for you to see the step by step on how to cook the kinunot na tanigue. And one thing more guys, I'm gonna need this coconut milk, 1 can, or could it be 500 ml na coconut milk guys. Okay, so as you can see, those are the ingredients that soon we will be needing in cooking this kind of recipe. This recipe guys is very simple but very delicious and healthy. So let's go, let's start the cooking now. So to start with guys, we have to boil the fish into a water. Boil the fish until and wait until it will become tender. Then close. It seems the fish is already cooked, so we have to take it, we have to set aside the fish and we let it cool. Next we have to shred the fish. So make sure the fish has no bone already. So the next step that we will do is we have to saute all the ingredients. We have to heat the pan and put a small amount of cooking oil. Wait until the oil will become more heater. Ito lang kami. Tama, ito na. Bukuha. Princess. Tama. Tanigue. Since the ingredients, since the garlic and the onions are already brown, we have to put the fish now. Next is the tomato. And black pepper. And the red chili pepper. Cover for a while. Since it is already cooked, we have to put the coconut milk. Once again, cover it. It is already boiling and we have to season it with the magic syrup. And a small amount of salt. This is only optional. We will put a spring onion, guys. Next step we will do is we have to put the leaves of the malunggay. I think it is already cooked. So yan, luto na siya, guys. It is already ready to serve. So if you are still watching this video, guys, just leave your comment in the comment section so that I can get back to you through the comment. And if you think that you like this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share the video, of course. And of course, don't forget to smash the button bell. So now it's ready to serve. Let's set aside on the fire. So this is the finished product, guys. I-serve na natin siya. So this is the finished product, guys. I-serve na natin siya.